Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. Bought a lot from an online estate sale auction. I'll show you here some of the pictures that I saw that I was bidding off of. Couldn't really see anything except a couple of the ratchets. I knew one was a Snap-On flex head, Craftsman flex head ratchet. The other ratchets, I wasn't sure what they were. Had to guess that they were Taiwan or Chinese. And you know, so you take a gamble because you see the Snap-on ratchet and you kind of say, okay, that socket looks like it could be a Snap-on, or that socket looks like it could be a Snap-on. And well, I'll show you what I got. At the end, I'll tell you what I paid for it. You tell me if I got a deal or if I didn't. So first we'll look in here. That's definitely like Harbor Freight Chinese stuff. Here I got these, the big impact sockets, Harbor Freight. Don't know what the two spark plug sockets are. This little socket here is Crescent. I'm not sure what this ratchet is, guys. There is no name at all on it. It's a 72 tooth flex head. Seems like a real nice ratchet, but no name at all. So you know that's probably Chinese. And then there's this little stubby. I saw in the picture. It looks like a Snap-on when you look at it like that, but I don't ever remember seeing a quick release. And then I noticed it's Crescent. It's actually a nice little ratchet. Over here, these ratchets, the breaker bar, the extension, they say Northern on them. I'm guessing it's Northern Tool brand. Also probably made in Taiwan or China. And then we get in this New Britain breaker bar, or not a breaker bar. It's a torque wrench. Probably not going to do much of that. Then here we got a Thorson. So take a look at this, guys. This is what I'm looking at. When you look at these crow's feet here, I've had these before. They're Taiwan. I looked at these sockets over here. They're deep crow's foot. I just had a set of JS. They look pretty much like a JS. I couldn't see a name on them anyway. But when I got there, the first thing I look at is this socket, Snap-on 5/8. So that's a 5/8 to 1 1/16 Snap-on deep crow foot socket. So that was the first sign that I was onto something good. These extensions here are all Snap-on extensions. There's a 3/8 and a bunch of 1/4 inch drive, and then there's a impact 1/2 inch drive. Here's the ratchets that I saw. So this is a FLF 936 flex head Snap-on. That I knew what it was. Here we got a 3/8 Craftsman flex head. That's a model 44815, made in USA. Then we get over here to these sockets. That's pretty much all Craftsman 1/4 inch drive. No complete set. Over here it's Craftsman 3/8. Nothing complete. Bunch of sockets. Get over to here, and that's all Snap-on impact, guys. Then I get over to this tray. That also is all Snap-on sockets. Couldn't really see nothing. You know, you see a couple Snap-on items and you kind of hope and pray that there's more. So I feel I got kind of lucky. I bought this lot out the door, $125, which I kind of thought the two ratchets would more than cover that. Plus I drove 280 miles round trip to pick it up. You think I got a deal? I mean, I think I got a deal. I guess we'll find out when it's all sold, said and done. But again, guys, if you know what that flex head ratchet is, let me know in the comments. And until the next one, guys, good luck on the hunt and keep gambling. Have a great weekend. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for watching.